Hello and welcome. This is a guided experience to help you receive the rest and rejuvenation that you need and deserve. Find a quiet and comfortable position for your body. Close your eyes and take a deep breath in and out. Another deep breath in and out. And in and out. As you continue to breathe in and out through your nose, feel your belly rise with each inhale and feel your belly fall with each exhale. You may place your left hand on your belly just to feel this movement. Breathing in, the belly rises. And breathing out, the belly falls. Simply watch this movement for the next few breaths. Inhaling, the belly rises. Exhaling, the belly falls. Allow this breathing to be relaxed and effortless. If you feel like you're trying really hard, then just back off of your breath a little bit. No need to breathe so deeply that it feels strained. Let the breath be natural and slow. Beautiful. With each exhale, allow your body to relax a little bit more. Feel the corners of your eyes soften. Feel your jaw relax. Feel your shoulders relax. The body may even feel like it's getting heavier and sinking down into the support beneath you. Allow your body to rest and to sink deeper into the support beneath you. As we continue to breathe, you may feel your body slowing down, your nervous system beginning to settle, your eyes softening, your breath a little slower. Take some time just to observe your breath and to observe how your body feels right now. You came to this practice because you are in need of rest and rejuvenation. Ask yourself now, how are you feeling? How has your day been? Was there anything in particular that felt draining or tiring to you? How has your week been going? Was there anything in particular that felt draining or tiring to you? We're simply noticing and bringing awareness to how we're feeling and to what might be the cause of us feeling so tired today. Maybe you did a lot of physical work today or this week. Maybe you didn't sleep very well, or you were worried about something and that kept you up at night. Maybe you're feeling emotionally drained after a difficult experience. Whatever it is, just allow yourself some time and space to reflect. We're not judging anything that's happened. We're simply observing. And take a few more deep breaths in and out. And find a little smile on your face. Thankful for these few minutes to rest and rejuvenate. As we move into the rest of our day and the rest of our week, ask yourself, is there anything that you need right now, or anything that you'd like to do for yourself today or this week? This could be something as simple as getting a little bit more sleep tonight and going to bed earlier. This could be something like connecting with a friend or going out for a walk, or even eating or drinking something in particular. Ask yourself what you need and make sure to do that for yourself today or sometime this week. Acknowledge yourself for taking this time, giving yourself this time to rest and rejuvenate, and for having the awareness that you needed this time for yourself. Oftentimes, when we're tired, we just push through that feeling and we end up being even more exhausted and depleted later on. So thank yourself for making this time. And you can always come back to this practice anytime that you need it. Until then, have a beautiful rest of your day.